So, traders, happy new week. Hope you guys are prepared to win this week, and I hope and I pray that you guys did all that you had to do over the weekend so you can prepare yourself and be ready to smash and win this week. But this is your boy Hallam, KCOT, and I'm back again with another educational video. And on today's video, I just want to share to you possible direction, or rather what I say, I just want to update you guys and let you guys be mindful of a few things that we might encounter looking forward to Q3 trading USDCAD. As you guys are mindful that we've shared Q1, Q2, and now we're on Q3, just to let you guys understand and see the pace within the year, how it's been moving and how it's moving. So as I'm about to share the video to you guys, all I ask of you guys is to just like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time we drop fire educational videos. And if you're looking to trade with the broker that I use and highly recommend, trade on a safe and user-friendly trading platform, then I guess you're going to click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. Or if you're looking to capitalize on the 50% discount that COT Academy has came up with for our 2-day in-person mentorship course, then I guess we're going to take the time and the opportunity to just take my number, give me a WhatsApp, or give me a call, or take my Telegram link and just text me on Telegram, or take my Instagram link and give me a DM, or just comment P down the comment section so I can be well aware into what you're looking for and what assistance are you looking for. But without further ado, let me not say much and let me not do much. Let me just share to you guys how Q3 might possibly move based on how Q2 has moved. Right, so when you guys can clearly see that we're going to be using USDCAD from the daily time frame, and using USDCAD from the daily time frame is to make you guys understand that we use Q1 and Q2 on the daily time frame. Now we're on Q3. I just want to continue using the daily time frame just so you can see the equivalency and see and understand the direction that price has been heading upon and price has been moving on. Right, so as you guys can clearly see, I wouldn't just say much, but by simply looking at the charts, you can clearly see that price has highs, right? Price has highs and price has lows. And price has lows. So with price having highs and having lows, you can clearly understand that price is holding a type of resistance and a type of support. And with that being said, you can clearly understand that our price is like in some type of like sideways movement, without me having to say price is in a range or some type of like sideways movement. But I just need you guys to understand that we've marked up our highs and marked up our lows just to show you guys how price has been moving. And as you can clearly understand that price is in a sideways movement. And when you guys clearly understand that if price gives you a push to the downside and moves in a range, there's always a possibility that price will continue moving to the downside based on that very same direction, because from this impulsive push and this range, price is in a range for a reason. It's either gathering momentum to continue with the initial direction, or price is losing momentum from the initial direction, looking forward toward a possible reversal. Those are the two takes, right? But based on how we're going to be trading USDCAD, or based on how we're going to be using looking at USDCAD, it will be very simple, because price has a triple bottom, right? 1, 2, and 3, and price has a push to the upside, and price has a double top 1 and 2, right? So just to sum things up with you guys on Q3 looking forward on USDCAD, if price will give us a break above our resistance, then we're going to look for continuations to the upside. But if price will give us a fail to break, then we have an intraday reversal to the downside. Same thing, if price will give us a break below our triple bottom, which is our support, then we're going to look for those moves to the downside. But if price will give us a fail to break, then I guess we're going to look for the intraday reversal to the upside and simply trade support and resistance. But until price gives us a initial breakout, either of our resistance or our support, then that's when we're going to look to put our money to work. But if we don't get that, then I guess we might scale down to our smaller time frames, which is your hourly and your 4-hour based on the daily, because it's a high time frame. Then you're going to scale down to your 4-hour or your hourly to look for those intraday directions or those intraday setups so you can capitalize on them until price gives you an initial breakout. breakout, either to the upside nor to the downside. Do you guys get that? So understanding that USDCAD is holding some type of support and resistance, that's when you're gonna understand the tug of war that the United States dollar and the Canadian dollar are facing. The dollar looks bullish, the Canadian dollar looks bullish. The dollar looks bearish, the Canadian dollar looks bullish. It's always the opposite. But understanding your structure, understand your behavior, understand your patterns, then you might get a picture into what price might possibly look forward into doing, right? But without further ado, I won't say much and I won't break down much, but I'm gonna keep it the way I keep it. Price is holding support and price is holding resistance until we get an initial breakout. Then that's when we're gonna look to put our money to work. If not, then I guess our support and our resistance will be our intraday setups that we might be looking forward to executing until price gives us a breakout. Do you guys get it? So as you guys can clearly understand, and you guys now get the picture into what Q3 might be looking forward into, all I can say is, before putting your money to work, wait for confirmations. And not just you having to wait for confirmations, but wait for valid reasons and valid confirmations into why do you want to execute. Because in this instance, if price will give you a break above that resistance, or if the daily candlestick will close above resistance, then we might look forward for continuations to the upside. But if price will give us a break below that support, then we might look for those moves to the downside. Do you guys get that? Those type of confirmations you might be looking for, not just an intraday move or the day trading move. No, look for major reasons and look for major signs into what you have to do before putting your money to work. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, appreciate the love, appreciate the support. This is your boy Hallam, King CEO T, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.